Mzansi's ruling after disturbing reports emerged that allegedly Khulekani Zikhali fatally shot a gym trainer and his girlfriend in a tragic incident that has shocked the nation. According to information making rounds, Khulekani had gone to the gym after work with the intention of picking up his girlfriend, unaware that the situation will take a devastating turn. It is alleged that upon entering the gym, he witnessed the trainer touching his girlfriend inappropriately, a moment that reportedly left him deeply disturbed. Sources further claim that Khulekani then walked out of the gym, returned to his car and waited for the two to finish before the situation escalated into a deadly violence. The incident has ignited heated conversations across social media, with some users expressing anger and heartbreak, while others are raising questions around boundaries, betrayal, emotional reactions, and the consequences of taking the law into your own hands. Many are also emphasizing that violence is never the answer, regardless of the circumstances. At this stage, the case remains alleged and authorities are still investigating as they work to piece together the full sequence of events surrounding this heartbreaking and controversial tragedy.